Factories in Myanmar should be closely and constantly monitored to prevent the spread of COVID 19, according to State Councillor Daw Aung San Suu Kyi, who recently said hundreds of factories have reopened after inspections by the Health and Sports Ministries. Myanmar discovered tens and thousands of infections among its workers in the last few days. Sales of non-essential items on e-commerce platforms in India in May first week were lower than that during the same period last year because of the lockdown. But industry executives say orders are rising fast with apparel, smartphones and grooming products being bought. A likely growth in e-commerce and possible shift of manufacturing activities from China to India after the COVID-19 crisis is expected to lead to a rise in demand of leasing of warehousing and industrial space in the country that has slowed down due to the nationwide lockdown, property consultant Savelis India said in a report released recently. A total package of 20 lakh crore combined mainly with the bold structural reforms will help Indian manufacturing sector to integrate into global value chain. Indian Texpreneurs Federation ITF has said it has welcomed the announcements by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the nation on Tuesday. The Belarusian government has lifted the ban on export of locally made face masks and cotton wool, gauze, and bandages. The government had banned export of some medical products in March, and now, with the lifting of the ban, both single and multi use face masks are eligible for export if they are produced in Belarus. The enforcement of social distancing, lockdowns, and other measures in response to the COVID 19 pandemic has led consumers to ramp up online shopping, social media use, internet telephony, and teleconferencing, and streaming of videos and films. This has resulted in spikes in B2C sales and B2B e commerce, according to new report by WTO. Textile and apparel exports from China declined 17.7% year on year during the first quarter of 2020, according to trade data released by the country's General Administration of Customs. The decline was due to the Chinese Lunar New Year, which was longer than usual due to the COVID 19 pandemic and the virus outbreak outside China. Same-store sales of apparel, including accessories, fell nearly 40% to 97,548 million yen in March 2020 compared to sales during the same month of last year at 205 stores. This is the sixth consecutive month that saw a decrease in apparel sales on year-on-year basis.